How to draw a duck. Start with drawing a circle. Then draw the beak and erase the line inside of it. Draw the eyes. Then draw the nose. Draw the body as shown. Then draw the wings. Draw the legs as shown. At last, color the duck. Here is the finished drawing of a duck.